what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine.
What is up, guys? Denny here, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Traxxas Haas. We're at the AZ Bash today, and we're going to unbox this, take a look, and we're going to beat the shit out of it. So let's see how this thing handles. Let's get to unboxing it. All right, so here is the Traxxas Haas 4x4 VXL. It's pretty much a version of the 4x4 Rustler. Shares a couple of other models, like the Stampede as well. It's a 1/10 scale. It says it comes out of the box 60 miles an hour. Don't think so. It is the XL motor size with the VXL 3S ESC. And there's also a new steel spur gear in this as well. So we're gonna see how it handles. So let's unbox it. And let's see if we can get this out. There's that. And there's going to be a remote in there, obviously. And there's the remote. It's a TQI transmitter. And you have your instructions and everything in the box as well. It comes with a couple extra tools. No speed gear. There she is, clipless body. There she is. So it's got the a fan included, four-wheel drive obviously, so not a whole lot to show. So let's jump it off some of these ramps and see how strong she is. So let's throw a battery in her. We're gonna throw a 3S Lipo in it right off the bat. Transmitter does require 4 AA batteries. Turn that on. This is first startup. All right. Looks like we're good. Let's get the body on. Let's give it a rip. All right, first rip of the Traxxas Haas 4x4. And first, perfect opportunity to test it. Hold set. Let's see if it's gonna do it. Oh. So that's first fail. Oh, looks like I gotta go get it. Hey, just stay over here. I'll go get it.
Okay.
So that way no one fucks with their shit. Alright, well, it died. So let's see what happened to it. That was kind of a hard hit on concrete. Oh, look at that. Get on that? The terminal popped out of the socket here. Easy fix, but if you were far away and you had to deal with that, that'd be kind of a pain in the ass. So first impression, auto lightning does not work, and popped off the cable. But that's why we're here, to give you the honest reviews. I do like that clipless body though. We'll see if it doesn't fall off. Lost the battery. The battery holder doesn't stay in either, because we just lost the battery. 3 issues so far that I'm not liking, but you know what? We're beating this RC up so far. And everything else seems pretty, good. So hopefully I didn't just jinx it. Let's keep on going. body popped off. That was a hard hit on the body. Everything else though, for an out-of-the-box car, you know, it's not too bad. No upgrades, guys. No upgrade. You guys seen it. Straight out of the box. First battery. And do a little bunny hop with it. All right, well, ended the fun on the Haas real quick. Solder joint. Still was on the original battery. I just now switched this battery, and right when I plugged it in, it just fell off. So that was 4 things that is bad, but everything else, you know, held up really great, guys. No broken axles. Oh, it looks, oh, that's not a huge problem. Just the spring fell out. Fix that here in a minute. Other than that, though, rather, pretty great truck. So that is it for this car. Alrighty, so I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on this car, and you know, for what it is, it's an excellent car. 180 bucks. It's not the best car for 480, but it is a good truck. Don't get me wrong, it's fun to drive. It's very durable. I hate the body. The body is really hard to get off. But everything else, you know, held up really well. Like I said, this came undone. That could be a flaw from the factory. Something you definitely want to switch out is that. Another thing is, I wish this thing had a little bit more power. More than likely, I will be switching this ESC out for a 4S ESC. The battery came out of the shell, or I mean out of the strap. The car did really great, guys. So I give it a 3 out of 5. The reason why I give it that is, you know, it doesn't have the power. This right here stopped my fun. The tires are really good handling, a lot of grip, especially in the grass that we were riding it in, and I even took it in some dirt. Tires did really well. So again, I give this a 3 out of 5. But like I said, check this car out, guys. It's a very fun truck, especially if you have kids, and even if for your adult self. This vehicle is very strong and very durable. I broke a lot of parts in trucks today, and this was one truck that I did not break, only a flaw due to Traxxas soldering. So that was really it. So please rate, comment, subscribe if you like to. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And that is it. Later, guys.